Whether it is the transportation of passengers from the most remote areas of a country, to the supply of water and energy to a metropolis, it is the art of engineering which facilitates and safeguards the sustainable development of mankind and improves the quality of life. The need of the hour is innovation. Aarvee Associates is at the forefront of that innovation. We are a premier ISO 9001-2015 certified multidisciplinary engineering consulting company based at Hyderabad in India.
We are into all kinds of infrastructure like roads, buildings, bridges, irrigation, railways. You name the infrastructure, we are there in that. From the client point of view, if all the infrastructure, there are multidisciplinary activities involved. So first option obviously would be Aarvee because we have all in-house, starting right from the surveys, investigations onwards. Before getting into the designs and we have in-house setup.
With nearly 3,000 highly qualified employees, we work with some of the best minds in engineering and consulting.
Average age of our workforce is below 25. So we have fresh talent and a lot of energy and also very senior people who have been working in this organization for the last 20 years. They guide and they train these people. So the balance between the young talent and the wisdom is the USP of this organization.
Aarvee Associates supervises the work done by contractors and concessionaires with an objective to achieve the desired quality, timely completion, minimum cost variation and contractual disputes. Aarvee has rapidly growing global footprint with branch offices across India, the Middle East and Africa, as well as a wholly owned Australian subsidiary based in Brisbane. Over the years, we have evolved and diversified to several industry sectors with a broad portfolio of integrated services which are founded on the bedrock of strong, world-leading engineering expertise and knowledge. Having provided consultancy services in more than 150 highway projects with a total road length of over 20,000 kilometers, makes us one of the leading highway design and supervision consultants in India, with extensive experience in Africa as well. Aarvee is at the forefront of the latest bridge design philosophies and construction techniques and has been a principal participant in development of major bridges throughout India.
Because quality is something that we never compromise on. Even if it affects our bottom line, there's no negotiation on the quality. That's something that is part of our DNA.
Having designed over 4,000 kilometers of railway track for mainline railway, metros and sidings and overseen the development of another 2,000 kilometers of railway track from concept to commissioning, Aarvee Associates is now one of the largest, innovative and holistic railway design firms in India, with experience in Bangladesh and Australia as well.
The main motto of the organization is the work should be done in time, if not before time. Most of our clients, particularly in the private sector, are our repeat clients. The reason is that we not only do a good product, we also maintain a relation with them in such a way that we never let them down. We do counter them, we do argue with them, but always try to give them the best solution.
Our projects in the Water Resources and Irrigation Division have irrigated over 3 million hectares of land. We have the unique distinction of designing the largest lift irrigation scheme in India, making us pioneers in this field.
There are several success stories that we have by bringing in technology, by bringing in innovation into our work, how to do things faster and better.
Without innovation, we fall decades apart, if not ages apart, in the consultancy industry. So we give a lot of importance and a lot of stress on innovation This innovation aspect is reviewed by the management on a regular basis, and it is a continuous process.
Having one of the most extensive experience in master planning in India and our multi-sectoral expertise gives us a unique advantage in taking up urban planning, smart cities and smart industrial cities design challenges. We provide consultancy services for water supply, sanitation and urban utilities, have planned and designed wet utilities for over 15,000 villages and towns across India.
When a client comes to us, if they're coming to us today for highways and tomorrow they're branching out to something else, we've actually followed them. Our growth is linked to the growth of our clients.
Power is another sector that we are surging ahead in a big way. Be it hydro, thermal, transmission lines or distribution networks. Our expertise in the port sector includes port and terminal feasibility studies, port planning and container terminal planning and design.
So everything that we did, every stage that we have crossed, every hurdle that we crossed, is very fresh in our memory because everything that we did, we put our heart and soul into that.
That's what drives us, finding new challenges, new avenues, working with our clients, being part of their growth story.
The message to my future customers is a sea of young talent and a lot of wisdom is waiting for you to deliver the projects in exactly the way you want.
It is part of the Aarvee DNA to constantly enhance the quality of our services and exceed client expectations. Aarvee Associates.